Hi everybody, welcome to the 6th piano lesson in Musical Monsters. My name is Michael Stegner. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a well-known song called Merrily We Roll Along. It's a little longer than the other songs, but it still uses the do, re, mi melodies, so it'll be a good chance to practice that and learn something familiar. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video so you'll know about future updates, and good luck and have some fun with this. Okay, so let's hop right into Merrily We Roll Along. So this one is the first one we've ever done where the music is on 2 lines. So what that means is when we get to the end of the first line, we just keep going like it's one continuous piece. So just because we have 2 lines doesn't mean we stop and pause after the first line. We just keep rolling all the way till the end. So let's just read through this together. We're going to put our 3 fingers on the 3 black keys like we have been. All right, and we're going to use our scanner, and we're going to play from the beginning on page 14, Merrily We Roll Along. And we're going to sing also. So 1, 2, here we go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, 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 re, 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 mi, 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 re, do, re, mi, 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 re, re, mi, re, do. All right, so that should sound pretty familiar to you. There's one new thing in this besides the 2 lines that I mentioned before. If you notice the very last note of the song, it is an empty circle that's not filled in, and it doesn't have a stick or stem on it. So that is a totally different rhythm that we've never had before. And notice at the end, I held it out for a really long time. I held it out for 4 counts. So you know how we used Beth or Zach or Abby, or those names we've used in the past. This one, we have to use a different name that has 4 counts in it. Maybe, let's see, Alexandra. So when we get to that part, re, re, mi, re, Alexandra, and then we release the note. So you hold that one down for 4 counts. So if you're counting that out, re, re, mi, re, do, 2, 3, 4, off. So you see how that works. So that's something new. All right, that should be really fun because it's a recognizable song, and it's always fun to play songs that we've heard before. Practice Merrily We Roll Along. Be able to play the song with the slow, medium, fast, and pro practice tracks. Sing do, re, mi each time you play the song, and remember not to pause when going to the second line of music. For bonus, try to play this using all white keys. There are a few places on the keyboard that will sound great. If it sounds funny, just move up or down a white key and try again. Remember to like and subscribe.